The lightweight B-Agile four-wheeler from Britax is perfect for urban explorers. Suitable from birth to 15 kilograms, this pushchair is extremely compact and fits into most car boots. Featuring one-step click-and-go technology, the B-Agile is fully compatible with the Britax Carry Cot, baby-safe sleeper, as well as the full range of baby-safe infant carriers. Simply remove the pushchair seat cover and click them directly onto the chassis with adapters included to enjoy ultimate flexibility and choice when transporting your child. The lightweight aluminium chassis features a one-lift fold with a superior secondary lock and automatic chassis lock for fast, safe and easy folding. Tackle any terrain with the puncture-resistant tyres, suspension and lockable and swivel front wheels. A 5-point safety harness and multi-position reclining seat, including lay-flat option for newborns, gives your child optimum comfort and safety while travelling. The spacious shopping basket and large rear hood pocket offer additional storage space. The signature Britax mesh panel in the hood and removable canopy back flap allow for air circulation in hot weather.